Here's another one of the classic C4s we have here in stock at buyavet.net. This is a beautiful 1992 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. This is a really stunning car, let me tell you. This is bright red on the exterior, black leather interior, which looks great. Under the hood, 300 horsepower LT1 engine with automatic transmission. Factory features include dual power seats, electronic climate control, Bose AM, FM, CD, cassette stereo, car house power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, and power antenna. It has tilt and cruise control, ABS traction control, comes with a clean Carfax and some very nice options. This 92 Corvette shows just 53,074 miles. It's in nice condition as well. The paint is in very good condition. It has a great shine and is free of acid rain. Factory wheels are very good and tires show an average of 10/32 depth remaining. The interior of this 92 Corvette shows very good factory leather seats, door panels, and center console, and a good to very good steering wheel as well. Now, the only addition to this car appears to be molded plastic carpet trays. All of our Corvettes are hand-picked here at buyavet.net, and we can assure you the subframe on this car is also corrosion-free. So, would you like to know more about this LT1 C4 Coupe with just 53,000 miles? Give one of our sales representatives a call here today at 770-414-5552. We have a huge selection of Corvettes, classic Corvettes and muscle cars here at buyavet.net. And we do make buying online something you can do with ease and, more importantly, with confidence. So give us a call here today. We hope to hear from you really soon. If you're interested in this Corvette or any one of the other cars here, check out our website at buyavet.net and then give us a call or stop in and see us. We hope to hear from you really soon.